What's up, fam? So let's see what we find here. I'm not even gonna bother over there. Looks like they haven't even cleaned up. But let's take a look over here. We have the new Fast and Furious. Check this out, guys. Here's a 1971 Plymouth GTX. Take that one. Here's another one. 007, You Only Live Twice. That's for you, David, over at Twice Diecast. So there's that. And here is the W Motors Lycan Hypersport. Another 1971 Plymouth GTX. Ooh, check this one out, guys. 1969 Chevy Camaro in blue. Oh yeah. I'm gonna take that one. Here's another one. Ooh, nice. Here's another fan favorite. This is a Dodge Charger SRT Hellcat wide body. Check this out. This is a re-release. I already picked up two of them about, 2 years ago? So I'm gonna leave this one behind. The only difference between this one and the other one is the card art. And lastly, we have the Toyota Land Cruiser FJ60, which I'm gonna pass. Not a fan of that one. And here's another Dodge Charger SRT Hellcat wide body. And another W Motors Lycan Hypersport. This is also a repeat, so the only difference between this one and the previous one is the card art. So this is what I'm taking, guys. Definitely gonna take this 1969 Chevy Camaro. Take the 1971 Plymouth GTX. And I'm gonna pass on this W Motors Lycan Hypersport. All right, guys, let's move on to the next store. What's up, guys? So I came to the grocery store to pick up some stuff for my wife, and look what I found. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 dump bins. All right, guys, so I'm gonna make a brief pause, and I'm gonna dig through all this stuff, and I'll let you know what I found. Wish me luck. What's up, fam? As you can see, these are locked and loaded, guys. So I'm gonna take a look at all this, and also gonna take a look at all of that, and I'll be right back with you. I'll show you guys what I found. Wish me luck. All right, guys, so I went through all of this, and there was nothing. There's a bunch of old cars here, and then I dug through all of this, and this is what I found. So I found this Mustang NHRA funny car. I found the 2018 Dodge Challenger SRT Demon. This is a recolor. I found the new 1989 Mercedes-Benz 560. Mazda Repu. Found the recolor of the 2023 Nissan Z. Another 2018 Dodge Challenger SRT Demon. This is from the previous case. This is a 1971 Porsche 911. Got a Nissan Skyline GTR. Then found quite a few of these 1973 Honda Civic Customs. And this is a new casting for 2023. But I already have a couple of them, so might take one or two and then leave the others behind. And I found this 1990 Honda Civic EF. Don't know one of those. The 1968 Corvette Gas Monkey Garage. Unfortunately, not the Super, but it's still a cool casting. It comes in a beautiful honey mustard. It's got the Hot Wheels decals with the flames, the exposed engine, and chrome interior. We also picked up this 1988 Honda CFX. Pretty cool. And that is pretty much it, guys. So I'm gonna pick up my mess and gonna move on to the next store. What's up, fam? Let's see what we could find today. Not even gonna bother there. There's nothing new here. Looks like they got these new Hot Wheels Pop Culture Mandalorian set. Here's a 1970 Chevelle Delivery. 1971 El Camino. I'm not going to take any of these guys, I'm just showing you. You guys know how I do. This is the 1964 GMC panel and the 1959 Chevy delivery. Another 1970 Chevelle delivery. I like to share what's out there with other collectors, so let's see what else. Looks like the new 2-packs are hitting. 1963 Plymouth Belvedere 426 wedge and the 1965 Dodge Coronet. Pretty cool. Alright guys, these are the new 2-packs that are hitting, so keep your eyes open for those. So here's that. Let's see here. This area here is completely bare. They got some new Matchbox moving parts. Here we have the Mazda MX-3Q. Ooh, I haven't seen this model in quite some time. Here's the 1975 Mitsubishi Lancer Celeste. The 2020 Dodge Charger SRT Hellcat. 2016 BMW i8. Definitely gonna pick this one up. Here's the 1963 Ford F100. Bentley Continental. And here we have the 1964 Buick Rivera. Let's see what they have up here. Yeah, these are all peg warmers. I picked this one up a while back ago, so let's see what else we could find over here, guys. Let me put this stuff back. Definitely gonna take this one though. This one is beautiful, man. The Bentley, I'll pass on it. And I'll pass on this truck. Matchbox, 2018 Dodge Charger. Yeah, we've seen this before. This is the push and puller. Here's the Matchbox 70th Anniversary Ford Police Interceptor. Here is the Plowmaster 6000. For those of you who collect construction vehicles. Tesla Roadster. This one is very nice. I picked it up a while ago. Here's another Tesla. This would be the Model Y. And here is the Audi e-tron. I'm telling you guys, Matchbox is killing it with the details of these cars, man. And the best part about Matchbox is that they focus on licensed models. So here we have the Garbage King. Here is the 2009 International E-Star. Alright, and pretty much the same back here. So they also got some new 5-packs. So take a look at this, guys. Alright guys, so with this 5-pack you get the Toyota 4Runner, the Swamp Raider, the Sonora Shredder, the GHE Predator, and the 2007 Honda Ridgeliner. So there you go, guys. And here's another one. In this set you get the 1948 Willys Jeep, the 1976 International Scout, 2021 Ford Bronco, the 2009 International E-Star, and the Matchbox MBX 4x4. So this one's pretty nice as well. Take a look at this, guys. So this one you get the 2005 Jeep Gladiator, the Hummer H3, 1989 Jeep Wagoneer. You get the 2007 Honda Ridgeline and the Jeep Rescue. This Jeep is actually pretty cool. I just don't like the mud wheels on it, but the deco and the color is actually pretty cool. This is a peg warmer. We've seen that before. So is that one. And so is that one. Let's see what they have for green light. Looks like they have more peg warmers. See, they have a bunch of the 2022 Chevy Corvettes. Here's the 2022 Ram 2500 Bighorn Sport 4x4. Another vet. 2020 Ford F-150 XL. 2022 Ram 2500 Bighorn Sport 4x4. Here's this cool 2022 Ford Mustang Mach 1. That one's pretty nice. Another Ford F-150 XL. Let's see. Here is the 2022 Chevy Tahoe Premier. Money Lightning bag warmer, 1970 Mercury Cougar Eliminator. Here's the 2022 Chevy Silverado LTD High Country. Let's put this on over here where it belongs. This is a pretty nice piece. This is the Munster's Dragula. Pretty cool. Auto World 2 packs, the 1966 Pontiac GTO and the 1994 Pontiac Firebird TA. There's another one. 1976 Plymouth Valère Roadrunner. This one's pretty interesting. We've seen this one before. This is the 2012 Chevy Corvette Z06. Alright, so let's take a look at this one here. 1999 International Cargo Truck with the Scrabble livery on it. '94 Pontiac Firebird TA in a different color. Here it is in white, and here it is in this cool blue. It looks like there's 3 of them. Nothing new for Majorette. And that is pretty much it at this store, guys. Gonna walk out with this awesome piece right here. I'll catch you guys in the next store. What's up, fam? As you can see, these are locked and loaded again. Gonna make a brief pause, go through all of this, because I know I'm gonna make a mess, so it's easier to use both hands. So I'm gonna make a brief pause and I'll be right back. Alright guys, so unfortunately this was a dud. The only thing I found was this treasure hunt right here, which I already have. So all this is staying here, but I also found this. So I'm gonna make a brief pause, go through all of this, and I'll let you know what I found. Alright guys, so went through all of this. There's a lot of good stuff here, you know. The Liberty Walk Silhouette Nissan Silvia S15. Some more Subies. But that is pretty much it. I have all of this already, so I'll leave this here for somebody else. Up here they have some 5-packs. I already have all of that. I've seen all of this. So let's move it on over here. Ultra Hots. Nothing. Monster trucks. Take a look at this, guys. They did get some of these Matchbox. Here's this 1970 Datsun 510 rally car. Picked up some of these a while ago. This one I did not have. The 1978 Dodge Monaco police car. Ooh, take a look at this one, guys. The 2020 Chevy Corvette. Definitely gonna take one of these. And here's the 1953 Ford Co. This one has a nice wheels on it. Nice deco as well. And pretty much the same rotation down here. So they put these back. Moving parts. We've seen all of this. We've seen all of that. And let's see. Yeah, nothing new on the green lights either. Same with the Auto World and Johnny Lightning. Alright guys, I think I'm gonna call it good. Let's move on to the next store.
What up guys, your boy BK here. So as you already know, stores have been getting some very crazy waves of Hot Wheel cases. It seems like we're moving backwards instead of moving forward. I call it crab mode. So anyways guys, I found a few more things. Unfortunately, I did not film this because it was crazy. This one particular time, there was a bunch of people and they were after the new game of Zelda or Legend of Zelda game. Anyways, man, I didn't know if they were Hot Wheel collectors or whatnot, so I didn't film. I didn't even bother. But anyways, guys, this is what I found lately. So I found the new recolor of this awesome Toyota 4Runner. The previous one is in red. Now we have it in this nice, beautiful royal blue. So there you go. I also found this awesome 70th anniversary Lexus. Check that out, guys. And I found this awesome 2019 Ford Mustang Coupe. Take a look at that, guys. Comes in a beautiful red. It's got the white hockey stripe and the white racing stripes on the hood and on top. Black interior. And take a look at this, guys. The grille is done in black. It does lack some details, but it's to be expected. It's a mainline. The back also lacks some details. I'll tell you one thing though, I do like these Target Matchbox exclusives better than the Target Hot Wheels Red Editions. I'll tell you that right now. I have not found the Lamborghini yet. I did pick up like 3 of these. So if any of you has an extra Lamborghini to spare and would like to make a trade, hit me up and we'll make it happen. All right. I also found the new 2020 Chevy Corvette from the Matchbox Collector's Edition. Take a look at this, guys. This car is sick, man. It's got lots of detail. And up top, it has the number 70. I just noticed that, to be honest with you. So I'm pretty sure that represents the Matchbox 70th anniversary. And it's got some very nice details on the back. Take a look at that, guys. Is this sweet or what? And last but not least, this was totally unexpected. Bang! Finally found the Mercedes-Benz 300 SL Super Treasure Hunt. Take a look at this, guys. I love Super Treasure Hunts in gold and this candy apple red. You cannot go wrong with those colors. So this one, as you can see, it comes in a beautiful candy apple red Spectre Flame. It's got the number 2 meatball on the door, and it's got a matching meatball number 2 on the hood. Black grille, no details on the headlights or taillights, and it's got some nice red wheels. There you go, guys. So there you have it, guys. Those are all my finds. I think I did pretty well. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. You guys take care. God bless, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Deuces.